vertical gantry-type machining center Vertirum is the perfect solution for large or heavy components for machining best performed in the vertical spindle plane. Vertirum CNC machining centers may be customized with a wide range of turning tables with loading capacity from 25 to 300 T, head attachments, tool magazines and other accessories for the most demanding applications such as aerospace, die and mold, earth-moving, diesel engines, energy and general machining. The perfect solution for large or heavy components. Unlimited number of boring, milling and turning operations in single setup configuration. The Vertirum range of portal machining centers is available in movable gantry type and movable table type models, both of which can be provided with fixed or movable crossrail and turning table options, turning into a boring, milling and turning center for multitasking operations. A wide range of head attachments, such as universal heads and 5-axis CNC heads and heads for customized solutions, tool magazines and other accessories are available to cater for the needs of the most demanding applications in different fields of application.